everyone, in this video we will discuss about the construction and types of alternators. Alternators are also known as AC generators or synchronous generators. Any heteropolar rotating machine with alternate north and south poles is called as an alternator. Heteropolar machine means machine with multiple poles. Alternators convert mechanical power to output AC power. They are similar to that of DC generator. The main difference is that in the case of alternators, armature is stationary and field is rotating. Whereas in generator, field is stationary and the armature rotates. The alternator works according to the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Now we'll move on to the construction. The two main parts in an alternator are stator and rotor. Stator is the stationary part and rotor is the rotating part. The stator of synchronous machine is a stationary armature. It consists of a core and slots to hold the armature winding. The stator core of alternator is laminated in order to reduce eddy current losses. The stator is built up of special steel stampings insulated from each other with varnish or paper. Silicon steel is used as armature core to minimize the hysteresis loss. The entire core is fabricated in a frame made of steel plates. The core has slots on its periphery for housing the armature conductors. The frame does not carry any flux and serves as support to the core. Rotor is the rotating part of the machine. The field winding is placed on the rotor and armature winding is placed in the stator. When DC supply is given to the field winding, north and south poles are created. Now we'll see the different types of rotor construction. There are basically two types of rotor. One is salient pole rotor and the second is smooth cylindrical rotor. This is the diagram for salient pole rotor. This rotor is known as salient pole rotor because the rotor poles are projected outwards. So they are also known as projected pole rotor. The windings are concentrated. Salient pole rotors have basically mechanically unbalanced rotor. So these alternators are used for low speed applications ranging from 50 to 1000 RPM. They have large diameter and small axial length. These alternators are used in hydro stations and are also called hydro alternators. In this figure, it is clear that the air gap is non-uniform. In this portion, air gap is small, whereas in this portion, the air gap is large. So, flux distribution is non-uniform and as a result, induced EMF is not sinusoidal. Some harmonics will be present. In salient pole rotor, there will be a damper winding in the pole face to dampen the oscillations. The next type is non-salient pole rotor. They are called non-projecting pole type or smooth cylindrical rotor. In the case of non-salient pole rotor, the air gap is uniform. Rotor winding is distributed. Flux is uniform, EMF induced is also uniform, so that we can go for high speed application. The rotor is mechanically balanced. The speed range is from 1500 to 3000 RPM. This type of rotor, it is mainly used in steam power station and gas power station. No damper winding is required here. The rotor is made up of steel. Steel itself acts as damper. The diameter of rotor is small and axial length is large in the case of non-salient pole rotor. Next, we'll see what are the advantages of using stationary armature. It is easier to insulate stationary winding for high voltages which may be as high as 30 kV or more, because they are not subjected to centrifugal forces and also extra space is available due to the stationary arrangement of the armature. Next advantage is that the stationary three-phase alternator can be directly connected to the load without going through large unreliable slip rings and brushes. The third advantage is that the high voltage output can be directly taken out from the stationary armature. Next is the construction is very simple and robust. The slip ring and brush gear used are of light construction. These are the advantages of using stationary armature. Hope you have understood the construction and types of alternator. Thank you.